You know that feeling when something big happens in your life and you just cannot find the right English words to say how you feel?
Oh, yes, that feeling is so real. And honestly, so many people feel exactly the same way every single day.
Welcome back to Daily Talk English, the channel where we make English simple, easy, and actually fun to learn.
I am so happy you are here today. Whether you just found this channel or you have been with us for a while, we just want to say you are in the right place.
Today, we're talking about something really important, something you need every single day of your life.
We are talking about feelings. Yes, how to express your feelings in English. How to say what is inside your heart in simple, clear, beautiful English.
And trust me, by the end of this video, you will have so many new words and phrases that you will actually want to go and use them.
Yes, and before we start, if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We make videos every single week to help you speak English better in your real daily life.
So if you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now and press the bell icon too, so you never miss a single video from us.
And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. Seriously, your support means everything to us. It really does.
Okay, so today's topic is feelings, and we're going to cover this in two parts. Part 1 is about basic feeling words and how to use them in real sentences.
And part 2 is going to be a little more interesting. We are going to talk about deeper feelings, the ones that are a little harder to explain, but so important in real-life conversations.
So get comfortable, make yourself a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like, and let's do this together.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. And when I say the very beginning, I really mean it.
Yes, because some people think, oh, feelings words are easy. I already know happy and sad, but there is so much more, so much more.
Exactly. So let's start with the most basic one. Happy. Happy. Happy.
Happy means you feel good, you feel great inside. Something nice happened and you feel happy.
Now here is how you use it in a real sentence. You say, I am so happy today.
Simple, right? I am so happy today. You can say this when something good happens, when you get good news, when you meet a friend, when you eat something delicious.
Yes, food makes everyone happy. That is a universal feeling.
Okay, next word, sad. S-A-D, sad.
Sad is the opposite of happy. When something bad happens, when you miss someone, when things do not go the way you wanted, you feel sad.
And the sentence is, I feel sad today. Or you can say, I am feeling a little sad right now.
See how we say a little sad? That is important because sometimes you are not very sad, just a little sad. And English gives you that option to be specific.
That is such a good point. Okay, next one. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited.
Oh, I love this word. Excited means you are really looking forward to something. Something good is coming, and you cannot wait. Your heart is going fast.
Yes, like when you are going on a trip or when your favorite food is being cooked. You feel excited.
The sentence is, I am so excited about this, or I am really excited for tomorrow.
Easy, right? Now let's talk about angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry.
Okay, so angry is when something happens that you do not like and you feel strong feelings inside. Hot feelings. You know that feeling?
Yes, we all know that feeling. And the sentence is, I am angry right now, or I feel angry about this.
But here's a tip. In English, when you are angry, it is always better to say, I feel angry, rather than just shouting, because it sounds more mature, more calm.
That is actually really good advice. Okay, next word. Scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared.
Scared means you feel fear. Something is making you afraid. Maybe it is a big exam. Maybe it is meeting new people. Maybe it is a spider.
Spiders. Okay, the sentence is, I am scared of this, or I feel scared right now.
And you can also say, this is scaring me. That is another natural way to say it.
Great. Now, tired. Tired. Tired.
Oh, this one, everyone knows this feeling. Tired means you have no energy. You worked a lot. You did not sleep well. You just want to rest.
The sentence is, I am so tired today, or I feel really tired right now.
And you could also say, I'm exhausted. Exhausted means very, very tired, like next level tired.
Yes, exhausted is the big brother of tired.
Okay, next, surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised.
Surprised means something happened that you did not expect, something you did not see coming, and your eyes go wide.
Like when someone throws you a surprise party, or when you get unexpected good news, you feel surprised.
The sentence is, I am so surprised right now, or I cannot believe this. I am totally surprised.
Perfect. And last one in part 1, worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried.
Worried means you are thinking too much about something bad that might happen. Your mind keeps going back to it. You cannot stop thinking about it.
Like before a big test, or when someone you love is not feeling well, you feel worried.
The sentence is, I am worried about this, or I feel really worried right now.
And here's a really natural phrase, I've been worried about you. This means for some time now, you were worried about that person. Very natural, very real.
Okay, so let's do a quick review of part 1. We learned happy, sad, excited, angry, scared, tired, surprised, and worried.
8 feeling words, 8 beautiful words. And now you know how to use them in real sentences. Not just the words, but actual sentences you can say today.
That is the Daily Talk English way. We do not just give you words. We give you the whole sentence, the whole feeling.
Haha, yes. Okay, everyone, take a small breath, repeat those words one more time in your head, and then let's go to part 2.
Part 2 is where it gets really interesting. Trust me, you're going to love this part.
Okay, welcome to part 2, everyone. So in part 1, we covered the basic feeling words, the ones everyone should know.
But in real life, feelings are not always that simple, right? Sometimes you feel something and you cannot find just one word for it.
Exactly, like sometimes you feel happy and nervous at the same time, or excited but also scared. Feelings are complicated.
They really are. And that is okay. That is human. And English has beautiful phrases to express exactly those kinds of feelings.
So in part 2, we are going to give you real phrases, longer phrases, ones that sound natural, ones that real English speakers use every day.
And these phrases are going to make your English sound so much better, so much more real, so much more confident.
Let's start with the first phrase, I am feeling a little overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. O-V-E-R-W-H-E-L-M-E-D. Overwhelmed.
This is such an important word. Overwhelmed means too much is happening at the same time. You have too many things to do, too many things to think about, and you just feel lost inside.
Like when you have too much work or too many problems at once, you feel overwhelmed.
The phrase is, I am feeling a little overwhelmed right now. And this is so natural. Real people say this every day.
And here's the beautiful thing about this phrase. When you say it, people understand immediately. They know you need some support, some kindness.
Yes. Okay, next phrase. I am not feeling like myself today.
Oh, this one is so real. I am not feeling like myself today. This means something is off. You do not feel normal. You feel a little strange or low.
And people say this when they are a little sick or a little sad or just having a bad day, but they cannot explain exactly why.
It is such a human phrase, and when you say it in English, people immediately feel connected to you because everyone has those days.
Everyone. Okay, next. I feel so relieved.
Relieved. R-E-L-I-E-V-E-D. Relieved.
Relieved means something was stressing you, something was worrying you, and now it is over and you can finally breathe again.
Like when your exam is finished, or when you get good news after waiting for a long time, you feel relieved.
The phrase is, I feel so relieved right now, or thank God I am so relieved.
Yes, that thank God at the beginning makes it sound so real and natural.
Okay, next phrase. I feel really left out.
Left out. This is a very common feeling, and so many beginners do not know this phrase.
Left out means you feel like everyone is included, but not you. Like you are outside the group. People are talking and laughing, and you feel alone.
Like when your friends make plans and do not invite you, or when everyone understands something and you do not, you feel left out.
The phrase is, I feel really left out, or I felt so left out in that moment.
And this phrase, when you say it to someone, it tells them exactly how you felt. It's honest, it's real. It takes courage to say it.
Yes, it does. Okay, next one. I feel so proud of myself.
Oh, I love this one. I feel so proud of myself. Proud. P-R-O-U-D.
Proud means you did something good, you worked hard, and you feel good about yourself because of it.
Like when you finish something difficult, or when you learn something new, or when you help someone, you feel proud.
And this phrase, I feel so proud of myself, is so important because many people feel proud, but they never say it. They never give themselves that credit.
Yes, it is okay to feel proud of yourself. It is okay to say it. In English, this is a very positive and healthy thing to say.
Absolutely. Okay, next. I am feeling really down today.
Down. When you feel down, it means you feel low, sad, not your best self. Like your energy is below zero.
Below zero, I like that. And this phrase, I'm feeling really down today, is very natural, very soft, very real.
You can say this to a friend, to a family member, and they will understand immediately, and they will want to help you.
Because that is what real conversation does. It connects people. And when you can express your feelings in English, you connect with so many more people.
That is so beautifully said. Okay, next phrase. I feel so grateful.
Grateful. G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L. Grateful.
Grateful means you feel thankful. Something good happened, someone helped you, and you feel this warm feeling inside, this appreciation.
The phrase is, I feel so grateful for this. Or, I'm really grateful for everything you did.
And grateful is such a powerful word. When you say it to someone, it makes them feel so good. It makes your relationship stronger.
Yes. Okay, almost done with part 2. Next, I feel a little embarrassed.
Embarrassed. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D. Embarrassed.
Embarrassed means you did something or something happened, and now you feel your face getting red. You wish people did not see that moment.
Yes, like when you say something wrong in public, or when you trip and fall, or when you forget someone's name, you feel embarrassed.
The phrase is, I feel a little embarrassed about that. Or, that was so embarrassing.
We have all been there. Okay, last phrase of part 2. I feel so hopeful about this.
Hopeful. H-O-P-E-F-U-L. Hopeful.
Hopeful means you believe something good is going to happen. You're looking at the future with positive eyes, with a good heart.
Like when you start something new, a new job, a new class, a new chapter of your life, you feel hopeful.
The phrase is, I feel so hopeful about this, or I am really hopeful about the future.
And honestly, learning English is one of the most hopeful things a person can do because you are opening so many doors for yourself.
That is so true. And we are so proud of every single person who is here right now, learning, growing, trying. That takes real courage.
It really does. Okay, so let's do our final review of part 2, the phrases we learned. I am feeling a little overwhelmed. I am not feeling like myself today. I feel so relieved. I feel really left out. I feel so proud of myself. I am feeling really down today. I feel so grateful. I feel a little embarrassed, and I feel so hopeful about this.
9 powerful phrases. 9 phrases that real English speakers use every single day. And now they are yours.
Practice them. Say them out loud. Say them to yourself in the mirror. Say them to your friends. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel.
And that is exactly what Daily Talk English is here for, to give you real English, useful English, English that you can actually use in your real life every single day.
Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. That means a lot to us. Really, really a lot.
If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us so much, and it tells us that you want more videos like this.
And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now and press the bell icon so every time we upload a new video, you are the first one to know.
We upload new videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 5 days a week, just for you.
And we want to hear from you. In the comments below, write one feeling word or phrase that you learned today. Just one. We read every single comment, and we reply too.
We really do. This is not just a channel. This is a community, and you are part of it now.
See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing. And remember,
your English is growing every single day, and we are right here with you every step of the way.
bye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.